Ready? Ready, Jake? This is the better. Hopefully it won't stop. Anyway, at the park with Jake, playing some catch, October 5th, 2014. It's a little chilly, but it's better weather for Jake. He won't get too hot and out of breath so fast. Hopefully. Go get it. Alright, let me get the ball again. Ready? Go get it. A little jumpy. You ready? Jake, come here. Get the ball and come this way. Jake! Jake! We just got here. Come on now. Jake! Jake! Stop sniffing the grass and get the ball. Get your ball. Now get the ball, not sniff the grass. Ready? Go. That was better.